Look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, custom perforated leather appointed front seat trim, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, engine block heater, exhaust brake, seats, heated and cool ED, driver and front passenger front bucket, LTZ Plus package, tailgate, S-lift, wheels, 18 inches, 45.7 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, tires, LT 265/70R18E all-season, Blackwall, LPO, rear wheelhouse liner, battery, heavy-duty dual 730 cold cranking amps, maintenance-free, NAV traffic, rear parking assist, ultrasonic, universal home remote, rear vision camera, audio system with navigation, FM3 system stereo with CD player, suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty and the paint, solid. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.